Feeling stuck? Dream of freedom? Do you ever feel trapped by your finances? Like you're working harder and harder but never seem to get ahead? Imagine a life where you're not constantly worried about money. A life where you can pursue your passions, provide for your family, and build a secure future. This is the promise of financial freedom, and it's within your reach. It's about taking control of your finances, making informed decisions, and building a solid foundation for a brighter future. Taking the first step towards financial freedom can feel daunting, but it's the most important step you can take. It's about acknowledging your current situation, identifying your goals, and committing to making a change. Financial freedom is not just about having more money, it's about having more control over your life. It's time to start your journey to financial freedom. The Level Up Your Life program is designed to empower you to take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. This comprehensive program provides you with the knowledge, tools, and support you need to navigate the complexities of personal finance. It's a step-by-step guide to help you level up your financial life. It focuses on developing sustainable habits, making informed decisions, and building a strong foundation for financial success. Whether you're struggling with debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or simply looking to improve your financial situation, this program can help you achieve your goals. Through our program, you'll learn how to manage your money effectively, create a budget that works for you, eliminate debt, and build a secure financial future. You'll gain the confidence and skills you need to make informed financial decisions. It's time to level up your financial life and unlock your full potential. Financial awareness is the cornerstone of financial well-being. It's about understanding your income, expenses, and overall financial situation. It's about knowing where your money is going and making conscious decisions about how you spend it. Goal setting with a purpose is essential for achieving financial success. It's about defining your financial aspirations and creating a roadmap to achieve them. Whether it's paying off debt, buying a home, or retiring early, setting clear goals gives you direction and motivation. Budgeting is the foundation of financial stability. It's about creating a plan for how you'll spend your money each month. Debt management is crucial for achieving financial freedom. Section 4. Actionable steps. Taking control of your finances. Automating your finances can simplify your financial life and make it easier to stay on track. Set up automatic transfers for savings, bill payments, and debt payments. This will ensure that you're consistently working towards your financial goals. Increasing your income can provide more financial flexibility and accelerate your progress towards your goals. Explore opportunities to earn extra income, such as a side hustle, freelancing, or investing. Mindful spending involves making conscious decisions about your purchases. It's about differentiating between needs and wants, and prioritizing your spending based on your values and goals. Investing for the future is essential for building long-term wealth. Section 5. Resources and support. You're not alone. The Level Up Your Life program provides a wealth of resources to support you on your financial journey. From online courses and workshops to personalized coaching and support communities, we're here to help you every step of the way. Connect with like-minded individuals in our online community, share your experiences, ask questions, and support each other on the path to financial freedom. The power of community can provide motivation, inspiration, and accountability. Take advantage of our free resources, such as the Financial Fitness Tracker, to monitor your progress and stay on track. Our team of expert financial coaches is available to provide personalized guidance and support. Section 6. Take the first step. Your journey begins now. Take control of your financial future today. Download our free resources, including the Financial Fitness Tracker, and start your journey towards financial well-being. It's time to level up your life and create the future you deserve. The first step is the most important one. Take action today and start building the life you've always envisioned. We encourage you to like, share, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest resources and tips. Your brighter financial future begins now.